Hello everyone, myself Nikita Khande and today my subject is a containment in Java. So first of all discuss about the what is a containment. Containment is a relationship means the of and the object and class as a member of the another class. It is also known as containment. Containment is has a relationship relation. Example, an employee has a relation joining data. Then discuss about the inheritance. Inheritance is a relationship. Containment exists classes and data which are declared in a member. Example of the containment has a relationship. Then inheritance exists of the classes that are already written. Example of is a relationship. Containment is the object-oriented programming language. It is idea that an outer class contain another class and allows to the containment object of an own method. Then containment it is also known as aggregation. Aggregation is a form of the where object contain object that exist independently from the object class. Aggregation is also known as containment. It is specially defined by the from an object defined is a one-way data binding that specify as a are the relation between the classes. If a class can be declared in the entity is known as aggregation. Aggregation represent has a relationship. Why use the aggregation? First is code reusability. Why code reusability? Because code reuse is the also best achieved by the aggregation when there is no easy relationship. Inheritance should be used only if the condition other classes and an aggregation object is which contain other object. Example as airplug where which is other switch and till crane. Aggregation is represent the physical experiment is a model. Nothing but it is a more abstract. Why aggregation use? Aggregation class convert differences between another class and said to have the ownership of that class. That's all about the containment in a Java and aggregation of a Java. So thank you all of you.